Hi, I want to show you what I found on Amazon 6 months ago. So I use this brooder for about 6 months. It's a large brooder. This is water, and we have like a different position. We can put it upper or lower, depends on chick's size. And we have a cover, and it's also foldable. I can remove it at all and put it in the small box. Not really small, but it's like a it will take less space than right now. And so this is nipple. They enjoy it. This is I am Simani mix chicks. They're beautiful. Some of them are blue eggers. Some of them are dark brown eggers. They like it. Okay, this is heater for them. So in this kit we had another heater. It's been red and with conus on upper side. We have the conus, but this heater is, I like it more because we have cover here and they can sit on it and it's warm. And after that I can just clean it very easy. Just remove this plastic stuff and just clean it, and not much cleaning for the main unit needed. And so currently I have this feeder just because I use another feeder for my older chicks, which is in dog's crate. So it should be there, but now it's not here. I will show you where it is. One moment, I want to show you how it made. So it's it's a plastic. It's very sturdy. It's not like box. It's a sturdy plastic. Okay, this is my second chicks I have. They are about 2, maybe 3 months old. And this is their feeder, which should be in my main brooder, but because I have these chicks is very different age, I can't put it together and they're separate. They will be here for about maybe 2 weeks and then they will go to the older chicken coop. No. They want to go outside. Not now. Next time I can show you my main chicken coop, but today it's everything I want to show you, nothing else. Oh yeah, and you can notice that some of them have blue on their legs. It's a girls, and if it's dark like a violet, it's dark and it's boys. If nothing on the legs, it means I'm not sure. So I have a couple which I'm not sure. I just check their wings when they've been about 4 days old. Yeah, and yeah, I'm not profi, so I'm not 100% sure that this is girls and this is boys, but this is the best I can do. I hope you enjoyed this video, and subscribe and like it, please. And I will leave all links for these products I showed you below my video. You can check it out. Thank you.